In the formative stage, a tropical cyclone begins to form. Strong updrafts cause air to rise and low pressure starts to develop. Though the pressure might not fall below 1,000 hectopascals yet, the cyclone is small with no clear eye, but winds begin to spiral. Gale-force winds occur in the forward left-hand quadrant, where the movement of the cyclone increases wind speed. Tropical cyclones develop in stages, from formation to decay, each one engages. They start with rising air and low pressure, and end when they reach land and lose their measure.
In the immature stage, the pressure drops below 1,000 hectopascals. Winds reach hurricane strength with speeds of 150 kilometers per hour, typically 30 to 50 kilometers from the center, as the cyclone continues to intensify.
Tropical cyclones develop in stages, from formation to decay, each one engages. They start with rising air and low pressure, and end when they reach land and lose their measure.
In the mature stage, the cyclone reaches its peak. The pressure in the center drops below 950 hectopascals. Winds at hurricane strength extend up to 300 kilometers from the eye. A calm, clear eye forms at the center, and the cyclone moves southwest from the equator, then turns southeast around 20 degrees south, causing a storm surge that leads to coastal flooding.
Tropical cyclones develop in stages, from formation to decay, each one engages. They start with rising air and low pressure, and end when they reach land and lose their measure.
In the decaying stage, the cyclone weakens. When it reaches land, friction slows down the winds, dry air enters the system, reducing condensation, which decreases the energy driving the cyclone. As the cyclone moves into cooler subtropical areas, the air pressure increases and rainfall gradually diminishes.
Tropical cyclones develop in stages, from formation to decay, each one engages. They start with rising air and low pressure, and end when they reach land and lose their measure.
A tropical cyclone's life cycle lasts about a week, from warm ocean waters to land where they peak. Understanding in these stages helps us prepare for the impact of storms and the weather they bear. Tropical cyclone's life cycle lasts about a week, from warm ocean waters to land where they peak. Understanding these stages helps us prepare for the impact of storms and the weather they bear.
Immature.